Okay, so one of the more interesting questions that was posed to me earlier was whether or not these could be reversed. And I don't know the answer to that, but I figured I have a bad module. Why not try? So that said, what I'm going to do with this is first sort of explain what I've got here. So I've got a board with no display on it, no frame, no nothing, and just a on-off control so that I can turn the radio on or off. So I can turn it on and the backlights all come up, but since there's no light pipes or anything on it, you know, it is what it is. It's what you got. So no display either. But what I can do, just for the sake of illustration, is sort of stick this LCD on the radio, if I can get all of the little pins aligned. There we go. And just sort of tilt it up so that we can at least make some contact with the pads on the other side. And turn it on, and we should be able to see something. There you go. You can see something. Something back there. It's not going to be perfect, but we can see when the digits are on. We can see basically straight. You can see straight through the glass. Some light you can see. If I put something light behind it, it might be easier to see. You can see some of it as long as I hold it up. You can see some of the segments are making contact, and that's pretty much all I'm after. So now I can take that, turn that off, put this aside, and see if I can get this polarizer off the front. I don't know if I'm going to succeed in this. Well, let's see if I can find an edge somewhere and get it off. Okay, there we go. This is probably going to destroy the screen. But it's already a bad module, so who cares? So I've got an edge lifted up. Let's see if I can get it out. This is probably going to take me a while. It's slow going. Of course, I don't want to slice myself with this scalpel. That wouldn't be very good. Yeah, and there's a glue on here too, so you know, if it works, it's probably just a matter of getting a new polarizer material and putting it over it. But I have a feeling that this is not going to work, but I figured I would try anyway, if I can get it off in one piece, which isn't looking too good actually. So I can get under this corner. Oh, there we go. I got under there. Okay. So if I get enough of it off, can I just peel it off? I guess it's the question. Got enough of it lifted up. So let's see if I can peel it up without tearing it. Or having this glass break in my hand. See, now you can look through it. So don't do this to your radio. Please. This is a bad module, so I don't care about it. Probably heat would have actually worked well on this. Hindsight is 20/20. Probably destroyed the film anyway, but we'll find out. If it works, I'll try to get some film and put it on. Some new film, that is. Since it's, like I said, this is a bad display. So, you know, no crying about, oh, they destroyed the display. Yeah, this is a bad display. There we go, we got it off. So what do? Do we turn it upside down? Probably, yeah, that's kind of what I thought, actually. It's got to be rotated 90 degrees. So if I rotate this 90 degrees, if I can get this stuff to not curl, yeah. All we gotta do is hold it over it and see. So if that's all that has to be done, then it just needs a new polarizer fitted to the front. And I know you can buy the film. So it's just a matter of buying a new piece. So we can't see anything. We just see straight through it. But look at that. Look at that. So there's your answer, gentlemen. There is your answer. Can you do it? Yeah, you just need new film. You just need new film. Is it better that way around? No. Well, maybe. Well, there you go. I didn't think that was going to work, but okay. I'm not gonna complain. That that clearly works. So for the next part of this little experiment, I'll gotta hold it so that it makes contact. I probably should have soldered the blasted thing in, seeing as how this is a total test anyway. But yeah, that totally works. That really works. Okay, there you have it. Can you do it? Yeah, I'll find some film and do a follow-up on it. Cheers, guys.